Shania Twain, multi-Grammy winning queen of country pop, known for hits like Man, I Feel Like a Woman. Jack Black, acclaimed American comedic actor, musician, and Kung Fu Panda voice star. Jennifer Coolidge, Emmy-winning actress, famous for The White Lotus and Legally Blonde. David Fincher, visionary director of cult classics like Fight Club, Seven, and The Social Network. Jason Priestley, Canadian-American actor, best known as Brandon Walsh on Beverly Hills 90210. Daniel Stern, actor, memorable for his role as Marv in the Home Alone films. Billy Boyd, a Scottish actor who played Pippin in the Lord of the Rings trilogy. Florence Welch, English indie rock musician and frontwoman of Florence and the Machine. LeAnn Rimes, chart-topping American country music star. Budgie, born 1997, American pop singer and songwriter. Lasith Malinga, legendary Sri Lankan cricketer, famed for his unique round-arm bowling action. Valtteri Bottas, born 1989, Finnish Formula One racing driver. Weston McKennie, American soccer midfielder playing for Juventus and the US men's national team. Cesar Azpilicueta, Spanish professional football defender. Satoshi Tajiri, Japanese video game designer and the creator of the Pokemon franchise. Johann Wolfgang von Goethe, renowned German writer, scientist and philosopher. Alana Thompson, born 2005, American reality television personality. Thank you for watching this video.